What if someone needs your English right now? Imagine this. You are standing somewhere familiar. Maybe a station. Maybe a street corner. Maybe a shop. Everything feels normal. And then suddenly, someone needs help. And the only language you share is English. Your heart starts beating faster. Your mind says, "Can I do this?" Today, Alex faces that moment, and what happens next teaches him and you something very important. Stay with me, because this episode shows why your listening practice truly matters. A busy afternoon. Alex is at the supermarket. The place is full. Carts, voices, music playing softly. He is not thinking about English today. He is thinking about bread, about vegetables, about dinner. He feels calm, normal. But sometimes English arrives when you least expect it. The Lost Child. Near the fruit section, Alex hears quiet crying. He turns. A small boy stands alone, holding a toy car, tears on his cheeks. Alex looks around. No parents. No one speaking to the child. Alex walks closer. Soft voice. "Hey, are you okay?" The boy shakes his head. Then he says, in a small, scared voice, "I can't find my mom." And the next words come in English. The moment becomes real. Alex feels the wave again, that familiar rush of energy. Not fear exactly, but responsibility. This time, English is not a school subject. It is not practice. It is the bridge between a scared child and safety. Alex takes a breath, slow, calm, and he listens. The boy repeats, "I lost my mom. She was here, and then she wasn't." Alex hears every word, not perfectly, but clearly. Something inside him says, "You can do this." Speaking from the heart. Alex kneels so the boy can see his face. He speaks slowly, softly. "It's okay. We will find your mom. You are safe." The crying slows. The boy looks at him. Alex continues. "What is your name?" "Daniel." "Okay, Daniel. Stay with me. We will ask someone." No long grammar, no difficult vocabulary. Just comfort. Just connection. Just English doing its real job. Asking for help. Alex walks with Daniel to the nearest worker. He says, "Excuse me, this boy is lost. We need to find his mother." The worker nods immediately. They make an announcement. "Daniel's mother, please come to the front desk." Alex stays with the boy. He keeps talking. Simple words. Safe words. So, you like cars? Yes. What color do you like? Blue. Daniel smiles a little. Just a little. But it is enough. And a few minutes later, a woman runs toward them, her eyes full of tears. My baby! She hugs Daniel tightly. Alex steps back, quiet, happy, grateful. The thank you. The mother looks at Alex. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alex answers, You're welcome. He was brave. She smiles. Daniel waves. Alex walks away with a warm feeling in his chest. Not pride, not ego, something deeper. Meaning. What Alex understands. Outside, the sky is soft and blue. Alex stops for a moment. He thinks, English isn't just words. English can help people. And this thought changes his motivation. Before, he learned English because I should. I need it. Other people speak it. But now he wants to learn because English connects me to other human beings. That is stronger, more beautiful, more real. A message directly for you. Now I want to speak to you. Yes, you. One day, someone may ask you for directions. Someone may ask for help. Someone may want to talk. And English will be the bridge. You may not feel ready, but you will listen. You will breathe. You will speak simply, and that will be enough. Because English is not about perfection. It is about communication, comfort, connection. And you are already building that skill every time you listen here. If you are still listening, I am proud of you. Really. You stayed. You listened. You allowed English to live inside you for a while. And each time you do that, your world quietly grows bigger. In the next episode, Alex faces a moment that is not small, not safe. A moment when he must speak in front of many people, and his heart beats faster than ever. But something new appears, confidence that does not break. Stay with this journey, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to Mr. English Unleashed so you never miss the next step. Your English is slowly becoming part of you, and the story is just getting better.